A common complaint I've heard from Redbubble sellers is that you can't change your shop name. So here I am on Redbubble, I go to view shop, and I can see here's the name of my shop, and I can't seem to change it. There's no actual edit option. However, dramatic plot twist, Redbubble came out with an email and said you can change this. So it's a new feature that they've added. Good for Redbubble listening to the sellers. Here's how you do it. You go up to the top and you're going to see this little icon, which is your shop icon, and you're going to click on it. You can go to dashboard, view shop, that sort of thing. You're going to go down here to account settings. And then from this page, you've got a whole bunch of stuff on the left-hand side. Now it should default to edit profile under account settings, but if it doesn't, just click on edit profile. And you're going to get a chance here to change your avatar, or you can upload a cover image. But if you continue to scroll down, you're going to see the shop name listed right here. And you can change this shop name. So for example, I'm going to type in this random shop name right here. I'll continue to scroll on down, and then I'll click on Save Changes. Now I get a confirmation here at the top, my profile was successfully saved. I'm going to go here now to the same little icon I was clicking on before, and I'm going to go to my shop, and we can see now my shop name has been changed. So it's pretty easy to do. Just make sure to go up here to the top and click on account settings, and you can change your shop name. Hope you found that helpful. Here's another video on some Redbubble goodness in your life. Thanks a lot for watching.